Hello everyone. So today I'm going to do a bauble pour, and it's kind of fashioned off this particular pour. So I'm doing a red, a green and a gold. In this bauble I used this particular green, and it looks lovely, but I used a rose gold as well, and it kind of in areas it was a little bit darker. I mean, it is risky using a red and a green anyway in a pour because they can go brown. And then with the rose gold, which is a darker sort of gold, you know, I still ended up with sections that I felt were a little bit dark. So I was curious if I changed the green and I used a proper, you know, shiny gold, what the results would be. So that's the bauble we're going to do now. But before I begin, I just wanted to say thank you for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm enjoying your comments, your likes, your shares. Please definitely go ahead and subscribe if you're enjoying what you're watching. So let's get started. So I've got my little cup ready, and I think to be safe, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put gold between each color. And that will probably manage that issue with the it getting too muddy. I'm going to start with my Cadmium Red because I just love this color. And I've actually got some gold left over, so I'm going to just try and use that up in this. So my little cup is ready and it's looking lovely inside there. And now it's time to do the pour. So I'm going to go round the bauble. Oh, those look so nice. Look at those colors. Gosh, that's come out nicely. So the lime green was definitely a better color to use than the deep green. And also the gold, like there's virtually no muddying in this one whatsoever. My stick looks like, now I look at it, looks a little squank. And everything's traveled into the neck, no problems. Oh, really, really lovely. Look at that. How cool is that? If you try and come at a side angle a little bit more. How incredibly cool. That big batch of red. Oh, really looks nice. Oh, I'm glad I poured this one. Really cool. There's that one, that spot that looks so nice. That one. This looks really good. And I will definitely show you what it looks like once it's dried. Another successful bauble, yay! So I just wanted to show you the results of this bauble, and it really has come out quite lovely. There's a little bit of brown, maybe a little, you know, some sections it's come out a little bit darker, but still not enough that it would concern me, you know. Like, I think the gold, using this sort of rich gold was a really good idea. Definitely made a big difference. You know, that's the bottom, that's the sort of sides of it. You know, that's lovely. And then that's the top. You know, this was the one that I talked about where I used the rose gold, and you can, and I did use a darker green, and whilst it's also lovely, I mean, it's really pretty on the top and the sides, you can see that it is a bit darker. So, you know, some of the red has come through quite nicely, but I think this one just a little bit crisper, maybe. I don't know. Completely different though, isn't it? Amazing. I did a flip cup on both of them, and yet, whoop, they're totally different. I mean, I did paint the top of this because this paint had split a little bit just to cover it up, and it still looks nice. So there we are. Interesting experiment. And for those who are interested, I do actually have a Bauble e-course. The link is below, and there I sort of teach you everything that, you know, to get set up using different pouring mediums, different types of baubles, besides what I'm showing you here. So yeah, definitely check that out if you're interested. Thanks for watching.